Hi, Dan Tyler, Indigo Soul. I just want to tell you all about my brand new one-day workshop that I'm running in Shrewsbury in Shropshire, and the first one is on the 16th of September. And this workshop will be teaching you how to balance your chakras with crystals, and also how to clear the 5 lines of the aura with crystal healing as well. I'm super excited as I shared this workshop at my retreat in Glastonbury in May this year, and it was absolutely fantastic. So you'll get a little bag from me, a little gift from me if you want to attend, and you get the crystals for your chakras, all the different ones. The light's a bit too bright there. All the different crystals that you get to clear the chakras. I'm not going to go through them now because I've already gone through that before in a previous video. So if you just look on videos on my page, you'll find that one that I've gone through. But I'll show you a method that you can use either in person on someone's body, but that you can also use via distance. So it's really good to use to heal yourself as well as others via distance. Okay, and then I'll teach you how to clear the 5 lines of the aura using a special pendulum with a clear quartz crystal in it. It's absolutely fabulous. And as I said before, we get lots of blocks in our aura, some from the present, from situations that we go through traumas in our lives, through different challenges, through other people, other energies. You know, they all get sucked into our aura and they can stay there. So if we don't clear them, then they will keep blocking the chakras. And we also get blocks from the past, and that includes past lives as well. So I teach you how to clear those too. It's super exciting. I absolutely love delivering this workshop, particularly in person, because I really get to meet some really lovely ladies, and we share the experience together. So it's fantastic. If you'd like to find out more, I'll pop the link either above or below in the comments, one or the other, maybe even both, and it takes you to a link on my website that tells you all about the workshop and how to book if you want to book your place. There are 8 places available at the moment. 2 have been snapped up, so there's only 6 places left, so you need to be quick if you want to come. It's in a beautiful hotel set in the beautiful countryside. There are rooms available at the hotel if you want to book accommodation overnight, but it's just a one-day workshop that I'm providing, so you have to sort your own accommodation if you need to. I would absolutely love you to join me and to meet you in person if this is the kind of thing that you would like to do. So any questions, just pop them in the comments. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.